Still here. I'm just really busy with work. But want to tell you that I made a purchase on DIY Audio last night, and it says, let's see here, your order has been shipped, and I should have it, within 2 weeks. The problem with that is Canada, where I'm in, BC, we've had a lot of flooding and a lot of the major highways and stuff are closed down. So it might be 3 weeks, possibly, for me to see my matched jfets. That's the only thing I'm missing to populate these. Hopefully that comes out, maybe not. These are the SMD F5 minis. I'm going to call them minis, but I didn't put minis on these, but the next batch of boards, I'm going to put the word mini on there because they're actually really small. They're about, I don't have a ruler at my desk. I never do. I always put it away. Let's grab this. They're 18 millimeters, or 18 centimeters, sorry, not 18 millimeters, 18 centimeters wide. They're small. Not like the green boards that I have that are, what are these guys? These are 26. So if we put them side by side, you'll notice there's a huge difference here, right? So I want to give you guys a quick update. The only thing I'm waiting for these is the jfets, and once I have those, I'll be able to power 2 of these up. I've already built 2 of them ready to go, and then let people know. I know a couple people have already given me some money, and I said I will build them first, and if they don't work, they will get a refund. But I'm pretty confident these will work. This is the same schematic as these, minus the other parts of the circuit. So, pretty sure we're going to have success here. I'm aiming for 25 watts. I don't really want to push them. As one of the emails went back and forth with Nelson, you could probably get 30 watts out of these, but the sweet spot is 25 watts, and I'm still running my green board, these guys, in the other room there in my chassis. No issues, and I really love the sound of them. So these should, in theory, maybe sound better. Don't know. Maybe I'll measure them and see. But just want to give you guys an update. I know it's been a while. I haven't put out a video, but I've been swamped at work doing training and doing other projects and stuff. But I'm still here, still working on stuff. But yeah, so hopefully you guys aren't leaving the channel because I'm not doing updates. I'm still here. If you want, like and subscribe to the video, and we'll go from there. But I'm still here. So I do have extra PCBs for sale, but I want to confirm that they work 100%. And yeah, so you have a great day. I'm going to go not watch the mailman because there's no point in that, but I'm going to go do some more reading. Go from there. Have a good day. See ya.